Hello guys, I'm Alfaidman Pramudia from Untak University Science Communication. Today I will introduce you how to make a good personal statement. Okay, let's start. Before we start the explanation, we will introduce you my member. Okay, let's see. This is Mr. Khalil. What's your name, Khalil?
My name is Ahmad Abdul Kolil.
Okay, next.
My name is Jeffrey Nurdiansyah.
My name is Syahrul Razak Yahya.
Okay, next.
My name is Yovan Aula Suryananda.
And the last member is.
My name is Muhammad Nur Rahmatullah.
Okay, for the first explanation will be Rozak.
Personal statement or presentation this time will show you how to create a good personal statement. Before we explain you on how to create a good personal statement, we will give you a little bit of explanation to help you understand more about personal statement. Personal statement is an essay that is used as one of the requirements of an entrance document to university, or to promote yourself as one of the best applicants to a certain university of your choice. When applying for a scholarship or enrolling in a university, usually the applicant will be required to submit a personal statement letter. The content of the letter normally is an essay of around 2. The content of the letter normally is an essay of around 2 pages. Those explain your personal ability and specialty, the reason why you chose your major, your interest in research, and then what goals and contribution you'll do when you apply to the university. Next.
The word that you need to remember here is person. This essay will explain to the university about who you are. You can talk about your background, your achievement, important life experience, and other. The goal is to confine the university that all of your experience has helped you as a person that can be valuable asset to the university. Okay, next.
Let's say if you want to apply to university in gymnastic major that revolves around your experience in sports, you can tell about one of your experience relate to sports. Your experience in a club that help you learn as an athlete that gives you a valuable experience, achievement, and principle. You can also tell about other unrelated experience as long as it has a large impact on your decision making regarding to applying in the major and university of your choice.
There are few things you need to consider when writing personal statement. First, your skill in writing, grammar, punctuation, structure of your stance, expression, and order. Second, the correlation between your education and experience regarding your life goals. Third, your talk in choice major and why you chose this major. Fourth, what makes you unique and how you contribute to the program. Fifth, your value as an asset of the university, both in present and future. Six, when writing a personal statement, there are some way to make a good statement, and also something to avoid so you won't make a bad personal statement.
Steps to make a good personal statement. 1. Use examples and portfolios. Writing a few words without examples and portfolio will make your statement less convincing. Use correct and relevant example that you want to use must stay relevant with the content you want to include in your statement. For example, you want to explain that you have a passion in fashion design. To make a good personal statement. 1. Use examples and portfolios. Writing a few words without examples and portfolio will make your statement less convincing. Use correct and relevant example. Example that you want to use must stay relevant with the content you want to include in your statement. For example, you want to explain that you have a passion in fashion design. You can explain that since your childhood you like to draw clothes for your dolls or used to compete in fashion design. Of course, you can strengthen your example with portfolio by attaching your related photo and or certificates. Why we need to give example and portfolio. Writing or attaching for portfolio will give you an advantage while applying to a university because universities requires proof that significant not according to your achievement. From there your achievement will work in same direction with your desired university or major. 2.
Number 2. Creating your own personal statement with zero plagiarism. You can easily find example of personal statement on the internet. You can use them as reference. But to avoid plagiarism at all costs, we better write our own personal statement by ourselves, even if it's a bad one. Why we can just copy someone that personal statement? If you just copy and pasted other personal statement, this could result in university have bad talk about you. Some university possess a program that called track plagiarism content, and plagiarism can drop someone confident if someone is used of plagiarism. Okay, next.
Number 3. Show your personality. University wants to know who you truly are. After that they can decide whether you're a perfect candidate or not. So tell them about your personality and don't hesitate to express your thoughts or opinions. Do we really need to show our personality? Absolute. Rather will be interested if you are more honest about yourself. If you call or made up about your personality, the university will have a hard time figuring out what kind of person you are.
Okay, thing you need to avoid in writing a personal statement. 1. Using inefficient word. Avoid using inefficient and confusing word at all costs. You need to use clear, efficient word because reader prefers a tense that is easy to understand. What if we use inefficient tense? It could fail you in applying to your desired university or major. An inefficient essay could affect the mood of the reader and wasting reader time. Understanding what you really write in your essay. You better use simple and efficient word and stance in your essay. Next.
2. Lying about yourself. Lying about yourself is a fatal mistake in creating a personal statement because university need you honesty as a requirement to be accepted as one of their student. You better be honest about yourself in your personal statement. What will happen if you hear about yourself in your personal statement? First, you might be arrested by the authorities because you broke the law by forging your certificate. Second, during the recruitment process, the staff will notice your false personal statement. They also might notice it after you acceptment, hence will make you drop out from the university.
Number 3. Showing your sense of humor. Personal statement is not a place to show your sense of humor. There is a correct time and place where you can show your sense of humor. Wait. Kata. Why we can show our sense of humor in a personal statement? Because it is too risky. Not everyone have the same sense of humor as you do. You can also unnecessarily offend someone with your sense of humor. The staff too didn't deem your sense of humor necessary. The staff only requires your background, your skills and achievement. Thank you.
Okay, that's all. Thank you for the attention. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, see you.